Let me show you how easy it is to set up Shopify Markets. Shopify Markets is neat if you're selling internationally, so it's easier to target each of specific countries you want to sell it. So when you go into settings, here you're going to select markets, and here you can set it up for each market you want to do it. Example, my primary market is shown as Latvia, and here I will set up that there is a tax example. I need to improve taxes, but shipping rates I can change. Then I can select which products include or which products not include into when you're selling into other country. Because if it's weight based, then for if you need to ship example from Europe to USA, it's quite expensive if product weight is 100 kilograms, or cheaper for like under 1 kilogram. So these are things what you can play around. Of course, adding personalized domain for each market. As example, if you sell in Germany, then you want to have domain with ending with D. So also there are settings as payments. You can specific for each market. Like example, for some markets you can say, hey, it's not available to pay with PayPal. But also you need to check out for some Shopify plans it works, for some it doesn't work. So what else you can do? Taxes, as I told, collecting taxes is one of the things, and you need to add it what tax you are willing to take, if you are even a taxpayer. That's also the other question, which is important. What I also do, I suggest use the markets for languages, and let's add USA, and here we go with United States when I'm adding as an international market, and then I save it. And of course, you also add geolocation apps so people Shopify can track from where people comes based on IP, and then he will see this pop up where he's, hey, your shipping will be happen to this country and you will pay in euros. And again, the same things, and then you will get data when you started any sales, and of course, just play around, check if the market helps you. If it doesn't help you, just have a currency converter, from example from our app Libotech, and that's all. That's how you can start selling internationally. And if you want to, of course, do languages, as I told, here in domains, you can add apps like Shopify Translate and Adapt app, which is free one, and then you can have multiple languages for every specific market. And if you have any questions, just let me know.